You know, this week's storm sure packed a punch for many people, especially in the mountains. Nederland got 30 inches of snow, Ward 41, Allens Park 42, Estes Park reported 31 inches. Our Dylan Thomas is live in Larimer County. And Dylan, quite a mess left behind in those areas.
Well, if you're near the eastern plains of Larimer County, there's not even a trace of snow left behind, but that's definitely not the case as you head up into the foothills and the western part of Larimer County. There were power outages, down power lines and cable lines, and even some buildings fell victim to this storm.
This is the first blue sky we've seen in about 48 hours.
For those in Estes Park, shoveling through a May snowstorm wasn't a surprise.
These can always sneak in. These late spring snowstorms are common up here, actually.
But nearly 40 inches caught some people off guard.
We didn't expect this much snow to come down.
Ivan Smith owns Elkhorn Stables. His late 1800s barn fell victim to the snow.
Well, it's been through the flood of 76, the flood of 82, and then 13. And now this. It's been there a long time, been through a lot.
Luckily, nobody was hurt when the barn collapsed. However, thousands of dollars of hay is now to waste. Power and cable crews spent Friday fixing outages after nearly 50 areas in the town went without power through the night due to broken trees and ice. Meanwhile, at Rocky Mountain National Park, tourists were left to snowshoe their way in.
This is a unique situation for us to have to close the roads on the east side of the park.
Until rangers can evaluate road conditions up to the Continental Divide, tourists are encouraged to enter the park with caution.
That they're going to be facing winter conditions if they venture out into the backcountry of Rocky.
Rocky Mountain National Park giving us an update saying their eastern entrances are actually now open, but several roads remain closed. And as for Estes Park, many of their power outages are now solved, but not all of them. For Rocky Mountain National Park, the danger now may come with avalanches. We're live in Larimer County. Dylan Thomas, CBS 4 News.
Quite a mess. Thank you, Dylan.